Hello friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel which is on counseling. I have named it as counseling as a mental tonic. The main objective behind starting this channel is to just make you all aware about how counseling can help us to play an important role in prevention, and at the same time uh, it will minimize the deterioration that is likely to take place. So it will definitely prevent the worsening situations. So it also works as a psychological first aid. So what does exactly counseling offers? Yeah, it will help us to become more psycho-immune. It will again psycho-educate all of us. It will make us more mentally literate. It will help us to imbibe the very concrete and rational values and principles where we all are in value conflict nowadays, and sometimes we don't even understand this value conflict itself is a negative origin of problem. So we try to search problems outside, but the problem is basically inside. So it will help us to imbibe a very uh, unbiased and unprejudiced kind of a what to say values and principles. So we will always see to it that we will never hurt the human dignity. So it helps in understanding, or it helps us in respecting the human dignity. That is one thing. Apart from that, it also helps us to uh, come out with some philosophy, or frame out some, or work out on our philosophies of life, because we all have philosophies or philosophy of in life. So because if you have a philosophy of your life, because we need to understand how philosophy also works, because philosophy is definitely important, which will keep us on a right track. So a philosophy that will give some meaning to our life, and this will direct us, so we always will be functioning at psychosocial level. So this is what a very important message that we can get, or a kind of a knowledge that we can get through counseling. Apart from that, it will help us to rediscover yourself whenever is possible, when situations are, and of course situations are most of the time opposite of what you think. So this ideal real gap can also be again minimized. Then it will help us to improve our human interactions. And now it has been recognized as a therapy. Counseling is recognized, it has gained a recognition as a, it has gained a recognition as a therapy, and it is a talking therapy, and definitely it is based on what to say communication skills. So here you all can take an opportunity, because it's a learning process. You all can learn, because yes, we all need, nowadays there is a lot of negativity in society. There are a lot of splits that has been taking place in our personality. We are not able to cope up with the situations. We are very much biased. We have a lot of false beliefs, a lot of rigidity, which prevents us from change, and we are not ready to change. We expect the world should change, or the situation around us to change for ourselves. So that is not going to happen. So that is why it helps us to maximize and stabilize our moods. So it counseling can help us to regain, or discover, or it can help us to gain some kind of a what to say stability in our life, and you can have a internal harmony. You can integrate your mind very well. So that's what this particular channel is going to speak about. I'll be coming to you with all new concepts, or whatever dynamics of human behaviors are, because we all are surrounded by human behaviors, human beings, and we all are interdependent, but we have become more self-centered. So to avoid that self-centeredness and to maximize the sociability, because man is a social animal, and are we social nowadays? If social fitness would have been there, mental illness would have not occurred. So as a social animal, we only speak about sociability, but we don't behave in a social way. So that is why again I have to, it motivated me to share my views and to share different kinds of beautiful concepts that can improve our human interactions. And human interactions are always beautiful, which will and it works as a psychological first aid, and at the same time it can what to say, it can enhance, or I mean it can create more and more a good social network. And this social networking itself plays a role of what to say, social support system. And social support system itself is nothing but a mental tonic, because as much as a social support we get, the mental damage will be very less. So with this very simple objective, I have come across, I have come with this objective to you all. And I would really request you, whenever you feel that you have some suggestions and recommendations, so that I can improve more and I can give more output. So you all are welcome, and it's my humble request to all of you to please keep on updating me, please keep on suggesting me. But yes, every time I'll be coming with the new topic, where the beautiful what to say, a very rational and a very meaningful what to say, psychological theories that I will be talking about, wherein how you can use these psychological theories in your day-to-day life and make your human interactions better and improve your interpersonal relationships, because we all are interdependent. That we shouldn't forget. And I'm not much interested in making things or making my session more excellent, but yes, I'm more inclined towards making some contributions which are relevant. So with this, I would like to end for today, and see you soon with all different concepts of counseling. And you all, I feel that you all will be motivated to learn this technique, and let us minimize the burden that has been created, or that has been increasing day by day, and the society is becoming more unrest. And let us at least reduce this unrest amongst us. Thank you so much.